Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. Today let's kick off with a quiz on the third lecture of intellectual property rights, and this set is based on World Intellectual Property Organization. So let's start. First question. The predecessor of WIPO was called as GATT, WTO, WIPO, UPOV. Answer WIPO. Second question. WIPO was established in which year? 1891, 1893, 1967, 1970. Answer 1893. The headquarters of WIPO at the time of its establishment was in Bern, Paris, Geneva, Madrid. Answer Bern. Who was the first Director General of WIPO? Robert Comtes, Henry Morel, George Bodenhausen, Fred Ostertag. Answer Henry Morel. Who was the last Director General of WIPO? Robert Comtes, Henry Morel, George Bodenhausen, Fred Ostertag. Answer George Bodenhausen. WIPO Convention, the convention establishing the World Intellectual Property Organization, was signed at Bern, Switzerland, Geneva, Switzerland, Paris, France, Stockholm, Sweden. Answer Stockholm, Sweden. Question number 7. WIPO Convention, which is the convention establishing the World Intellectual Property Organization, was signed on 14 July 1967, 26 April 1970, 14 July 1970, 26 April 1967. Answer 14 July 1967. World Intellectual Property Organization or WIPO started its operation from 14 July 1967, 26 April 1970, 14 July 1970, 26 April 1967. Answer 26 April 1970. World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated every year on 20th June, 24th April, 20th March, 26th April. Answer 26th April. World Intellectual Property Day was celebrated for the first time in which year? 1970, 1999, 2001, 2023. Answer 2001. The theme of World Intellectual Property Day 2024 is Women and IP Accelerating Innovation and Creativity, IP and the SDGs Building Our Common Future with Innovation and Creativity, IP and Youth Innovating for a Better Future, IPM SMEs Taking Your Ideas to Market. The answer is IP and the SDGs Building Our Common Future with Innovation and Creativity. The headquarters of WIPO is in Paris, Bern, New York, Geneva. Answer Geneva. How many member states WIPO has as on 1st January 2023? 190, 192, 193, 189. Answer 193. Who was the first Director General of WIPO? Camille Idris, Francis Gare, George Bodenhausen, Arvad Vox. Answer George Bodenhausen. As on 1st January 2023, the WIPO's Director General is Dr. Edward Kocha, Mr. Darren Tang, Mr. Kenichiro Natsume, Professor Adibambo Adiopo. The answer Mr. Darren Tang. India joined World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO on 14 July 1967, 26 April 1970, 31st January 1975, 31st January 1970. The answer is 31st January 1975. WIPO joined the United Nations in which year? 1967, 1970, 1975, 1974. Answer 1974. Which of the following is main activities of WIPO? Legal negotiation and policy discussion, administration of intergovernmental IP treaties, international IP filing and examination services, IP information, advisory and training services. The answer is ABCD. So all are the activities of WIPO. International patent application can be filed using Madrid system, PCT system, Hague system, Lisbon system. Answer is PCT system. The Patent Cooperation Treaty or PCT treaty was signed on 19th June 1970, 14th July 1967, 26th April 1970, 31st January 1975. The answer is 19th June 1970. The Patent Cooperation Treaty (PCT) was signed in which city? Geneva, Washington, Stockholm, Bern. Answer: Washington. The Patent Cooperation Treaty (PCT) came into force from 19 June 1970, 14 July 1967, 26 April 1970, 24 January 1978. Answer: 24 January 1978. How many member states PCT has as on 1st January 2023? 150, 153, 157, 159. Answer: 157. India joined Patent Cooperation Treaty (PCT) on 19 June 1970, 7 December 1998, 26 April 1980, 24 January 1978. The answer is 7th December 1998. Okay, thank you very much.